All right, I'm here with Melanie of Glaze Craft Windows, and what I wanted to go over was how to clean or strip the profiles, okay? The profiles are these, and we'll try to get it in here. They're the kind of the delicate parts of the window, generally on the interior, where it's a bit curved and it's not flat, so it's a little bit much more difficult to strip. On a flat portion like this, you can run it over with the Pro Scraper or heat it and scrape it. It's pretty easy to pull this off. But down here on the profiles, it's definitely more difficult. And on the back side here, we have the rabbets. That's where the glass sits. So this is on the interior part. Usually has hardened trim paint on it. Makes it sometimes even more difficult to pull off. And you can kind of see here the profiles. So this is what I call the delicate part of the window and the part you don't want to mess up. So we're going to show you how to pull this off using an infrared heat gun, or heat wand, I should say. So this is Melanie. She's going to put this mask on. And if she has to talk through the mask, and I may have to translate, so we'll see how we go. All right, so what's our first step, and what are we using here? We have the heat. Okay, we got some scrapers. We've got a flat scraper. We have a little triangle scraper, and we have a big triangle scraper, okay? Well, kind of like it looks like Star Trek. And then we have the speed heater Cobra, okay? This is a great tool. And then we have the speed heater, which one is this called?
Rapid Slim.
Rapid Slim, okay. So this is a rapid heater, also works very well.
Okay.
All right, so what's our first step?
I'm going to start by heating.
Okay.
Hold this over the paint for just 5 or 6 seconds until I start to see smoke. There we go.
Okay, it's smoking a little bit. She puts it
Bubbling.
back on the table. It comes right off. But she's not really putting any pressure on there.
Good.
So what we're dealing with here is probably the original primer, maybe one layer of the original paint, and then it looks like a layer of latex paint that was probably added much later.
I don't have to get it all off, just enough to sand.
Yeah, so we're trying to just get it down to a sandable level. So you can see right above the wood, it's still got some of the original primer on there, but pretty much pretty close to the wood there. All right, we'll show you one more round here. So she sits it right on there. So you can see that the latex will sometimes start gumming up a little bit. If that happens, you can just take either, if you just have one, you put that one back on, or if you got this other one, put it on there for 3 seconds. It'll come right off. It's pretty amazing stuff. You can use these speed heaters to take off the glaze. It's very good, especially like I love the Pro Scraper to do on the flats over here, but you have to use a lot of muscle power for that. This is an easier way to pull the paint off without needing much muscle power. All right, so there you go. So we got this all done in about 2 minutes, and she will just go all the way around the window, and we'll come back and show you when we're done here. All right, we'll be right back.